Okay, so hello and good morning to all of you. I hope you're all doing well and keeping safe. Thank you so much for taking your time out and joining this webinar. Why Big Commerce Platform is the best for e-commerce business. This has been hosted and marketed by Nine E-commerce. My name is Ami and I am working as a sales coordinator here at Nine E-commerce. What is Nine E-commerce? Let me just give you a very quick introduction of what Nine E-commerce is all about and the services that we provide. Nine E-commerce is a leading e-commerce design and development company with a niche in both traditional and emerging e-store technologies. Nine E-commerce provides best-in-class techno solutions to modern businesses. Okay, now the services Nine E-commerce provide is complete e-commerce store setup, e-commerce migrations. For example, if you have an existing website and you wish to migrate it to some other platform like Shopify or WordPress, we can help you. Custom e-commerce website development. So if you want to create a custom design website, we can also do that for you, creating mockups and everything. And then we also help with open source e-commerce customizations, business to business and business to customer e-commerce solutions. We are also a proud partner with Shopify and BigCommerce, and we are also listed on their partner directory if you want to follow us. And okay, so I think that's it from my side about the introduction to Nine E-commerce. So without any further ado, let me introduce you to our speaker. Today's our speaker is Divya Rathod, and I will ask her to take over and give her the introduction of herself and play slides. Divya, over to you now. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Ami, for the lovely introduction and for letting us know what Nine E-commerce is. So first of all, a very good morning to all of you. I'm so happy to see each one of you joining so early before time. So I hope that this morning wish is not too early for Sunday. So yeah, like Ami said, my name is Divya Rathod and I have been working into marketing stream for last 6 years. I have worked with various industries, that is automobile, radio industry and BPO sector. So now why I do this webinar is because it's my passion. I love conducting such webinars, researching and spreading out knowledge and information that I have. So that is why I'm here. And before we start for today's webinar, just to cheer you up, I'm sending out in chat box some few riddles for you to quickly answer. Just three, common. No brainstorming session, but just to cheer you up. So, I can believe that you all are, I'm loud and clear and you're listening to me. So first is what has to be broken before you can use it? Definitely egg. We got the answer. What month of the year has 28 days? Is it? Feb is a wrong answer. Not just Feb. All, definitely. All months have, 28 days. Last but not the least is what is always in front of you but can't be seen? Air. Can you see air? No, you can feel it. It's quite common. What is in front of you but can't be seen? And that is what John Cena, okay. Physically. Nose, no. Money, no. Can be, but no. Not material thing, You always dream of, you always think about it, but it can't be seen. So without any further delay, should I answer? Or anybody else want to try? Dream, somewhat closer. Future, exactly, Mr. Yogesh. So future is always in front of us, but we don't see it. And likewise, this opportunity, this topic of today that we are going to discuss is why big commerce as a platform. But why, first of all, I would say why e-commerce? I hope the screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay, great. So this is your future for all the aspiring and those who are dreaming to start their business on digital with digital presence. This is the chance. Why just dream of it? Why not start living it? So Nine e-commerce has provided this opportunity where I can share some of the benefits why you can go with big commerce as a platform to establish your business, to start your online store, and what are the advantages that you're going to get from that. So first of all, let's start with what is big commerce. So before I start with this, I want to ask one simple question to all the attendees of this webinar. How many of you are actually thinking to start your online business in coming years, or you have predicted, or you have some plan in your mind that, I have to follow this category. This is my business that I want to set up with an online presence in coming 2-3 years or so. Anybody who has given this thought? We are all like-minded people over here in this webinar. So I believe that definitely we are sharing the same interest. So anyone, if you have thought about, a scratch raw format also of what you wish to set up your online business as. Okay, so let me start with myself only. In the first year of pandemic, I was very much obsessed with print business. So it's just that you print something, maybe graphics or just quotes, and send it out to your customers using the e-commerce platform. That was just a small business idea, but I wanted to do something because pandemic was there, so we were doing work from home and we had a lot of time, and this was the opportunity where you can grow. So that was my interest of starting a business, which somehow did not happen. So if you have any, okay, we do have answers. I'm so sorry, I missed the chat. You can't hear me? Hello?
I think I can hear you very well. I don't know why. I think if they can just leave the meeting and then rejoin.
Okay, request to those who can't hear me, please, if you can just leave and rejoin. Okay, others can hear me. If you can just put down yes in the chat box, if I'm audible loud and clear. Okay, great. Yeah, so somebody said that already initiated the process, that is Mr. Junaid. So that's great. If you have initiated, definitely you might be having a scratch plan, and you might have gone for an alternative uh, options, where you can start your online business with, online setup with. So this is one of the options that we are providing, that is Big Commerce, after taking into consideration many more. So let's start. Big Commerce is leading e-commerce software platform that provides startups and established companies with everything they need to start and grow their online store. So if I have to give some options, we have Big Commerce, we have Etsy, we have Shopify, we have multiple options where we can start our online store. But why to go for Big Commerce? Big Commerce offers really nice e-commerce store management features, including project management, order fulfillment, online payments, coupons, analytics, good looking design, and countless customization features. So if I say that I want to start a business, what all I need to put together to understand that what would be required in future, or how my business is supposed to grow, or how am I going to manage the operations and everything. So like I said, if I wanted to start a print business, firstly I should have a printer. Second is, that is, other than e-commerce platform, the materialistic things that I'm saying, a perfect plan. Now, setting up an online store, what I need to have is that good photography, which I can upload. I should have a good amount of stock. That is what, including product management. You should have a good amount of stock, which you can display on your online store. You should have a proper tax information, or information related to your product, say for pricing or quantity or size and everything. Then online payment gateway. How are the customers going to do the payment if they are going to do a shopping from my online store? Am I going to provide some offers, maybe festival offers, or year-end sale offers and all? Those are the things that Big Commerce is providing you. You can have your own dashboard in front of you when you start your online business, online store. through big e-commerce and big commerce, and it would be really easy for you to track that, you started with this and now you are at this. That shows a typical graph of what your store is looking at, what all activities are going on your store, how many viewers, visitors are there. Okay, sorry. To whom big commerce is the best suited? Like I said, new ambitious e-commerce stores. Big commerce is super scalable, while plan starts at just $29.95. That is approximately 2,200 something. The top plans are capable of supporting the likes of Ben and Jerry's, Toyota, and Kodak. So if I say that if Ben and Jerry's is keeping big commerce as an option, wherein they are providing such a large scale of productions and everything, then definitely, okay, you should go for a big commerce, because already such brands have set up their mark. Stores which sell through online platform, example, Instagram, Etsy, eBay, as well as through your own store. So you have multiple options. If I am doing affiliate marketing also for my online business, then definitely I can drive that traffic to my e-commerce store and provide them multiple offers, and engage the crowds by some offerings or some coupons and all. If you already have a strong presence on other platform, big commerce is a natural choice. Definitely you have a good audience base on your social media platform. All you have is to drive that particular traffic to your e-commerce website or to your e-commerce platform, that is big commerce. Well established commerce stores which have outgrown their current platform, as above, you won't outgrow big commerce, and it also has a range of helpful tools and guides to smoothen the migration. Now, who would agree with this point? Why should you go for big commerce? Because just they have a good range of helpful tools. What do you mean by tools and guides when it comes to a online store presence or online platform presence? Anyone? I'm missing out the chat, so I don't know. Okay. Ami, I believe there is still some audio glitch to some of the people.
No, I don't think so. I can hear very well.
Okay, cool. Yeah. So what are the other tools and guides that a e-commerce platform or big commerce can provide to you? Anyone? Analytical tools. If I talk about, like I said, that it would be providing you graphs to set up your online stores. It would be providing you multiple payment options as a tool format, API integrations. They would be providing you wherein you can choose multiple, bank informations. You can integrate it with that. And also they are providing you with, good amount of product setup. Is there a delay in my screen or so? Hello.
Yes.
Can you see my this slides?
Yes, I can see your slide. I mean,
Moving.
can you just move to the next one? I can tell you now.
Yeah, I did.
Yes, yes, it works.
Okay. Great. We wouldn't recommend big commerce for small scale selling. So say, for example, if I said that I wanted to start my digital printing business and I wanted to start it with a small scale, say, for example, 50 quantities or so, 50 product range. So should e-commerce be recommended to you? Definitely it can be, but it depends, how long are you planning with this business, or what is your future plan of growing this business, to what size of products and categories that you're going to bring. Small scale selling, if you just have a few products to sell, there's no problem with using big commerce, but you'll be sacrificing ease of use for features you won't be able to get. So if I'm going for a basic plan, then definitely I won't be able to take an advantage of some standard plans or premium plans. So if I say that basic plan is providing limited options to category to set up your n number of products in different categories, then definitely that option is provided to me on standard plan. So if I say I have 50 products, but I want it to be displayed in 3 categories, but that's too small as in quantity for the big commerce platform. They are not, my products are not qualified according to their guidelines quantity. So what I need to do is I need to grow the base of my product. I need to come up with new products. Big commerce, but try Shopify or WooCommerce instead. Like I said, there are many competitors and there are many alternatives for big commerce as well as this. We have Shopify, we have WooCommerce. Each and every platform is providing same. All you need to do is which platform would be suitable for your business. If I say that in digital era, competition is what is required, then no, don't copy or else your business is going to die. Nowadays, trending is not the new common, originality is the new common. So if I have a good amount of audience on a social media platform and also my website is running good, then why should I go for some e-commerce platform which is really good with branding, marketing, and has a good customer base? If I can save some budget, save some amount by using big commerce or other platform, and if I can leverage my audience and my products by bringing them to this platform, then why not? A quick, easy setup. What is quick, easy setup? Now, say example, I'm not quite tech savvy and I can't invest right now on hiring a person who's going to look after the operations. So BigCommerce is providing you such a quick, easy setup of your online stores wherein everything is in front of you. All you just need to do is explore some options, list your products, provide the information related to the products and everything, put on the dates of offering, and you're ready to go. If this is a priority for you, check out Shopify instead. It was better rated in user testing, but you will incur additional transaction fees. Definitely, like I said, some platforms would be having a number of features that they would be providing, but you would be shorting fall off other maybe advantages, or you maybe there would be many payment options that you have to pay. If you go for Shopify, wherein there is a drag and drop option for setting an online store, what happens next is that you're going to pay for the transactional fees. Wherein in big commerce, there are no transactional fees charged to you when anybody does a transaction. It's just the credit fees that they charge. Next is, let's see the pricing fees and payment processing. So like I said that, the standard plan itself starts from $29.95, and if you go for plus plan, that is $79, and pro would be this. But it all depends how much is your online store going to what is the growth rate of that. Perfect for starting out would be definitely a basic standard plan. Growing online stores unlock important marketing features. Now if I want a feature wherein I have my inventory, my one of my customer visited to my online store, and they purchased 5 items. I mean, they added to the cart 5 items, but did the shopping of 3 and 2 was left into the bucket, I mean the cart itself. So if I upgrade my plan to pro or enterprise level, what I get the additional feature is that I can track the information of that particular customer through email ID, which they have entered while doing a transaction. And I can send them out offers for that particular selected cart, options that they have added in the cart, the products that they have added in the cart. What is happening over here is I'm not losing out on potential customers. Maybe at that time their budget was XYZ. They're not able to pay much more. That's the reason they left the two cart. And if it's suitable for my business, after 10 days, I can put an offer on that particular product, then why not? I'm going to retain that customer, because if a customer is putting some potential, product into their cart, means they are interested. So don't lose out on that. I hope everybody is getting what I'm speaking. Do you have any questions so far? Then please, you can speak up. Yes, anyone? So far, any questions? I hope everybody is getting what BigCommerce is and what they are providing. If you have something to share, then definitely. Okay, let's go. Which BigCommerce plan should I choose? Now that comes again. I said it's up to your business. Anybody over here who can give me an example of any business that they are looking? Junaid, if you can share some insights of your business, if that's okay for you, which business model you have prepared, and so that we can take it as an example and discuss for the plans that we should opt for. Okay, list of features and plugins for my apparel website. Okay, you want to start an apparel website, right? Ashish, Mr. Ashish. So I would say, what is the product size and what is the product range for your apparel business? And what kind of audience, category of audience are you looking forward to? See, now there are multiple options provided, features provided by BigCommerce, but in different plans. Like I said, one option of this that you can track the customer by getting the information and selling out that to left out products in your cart. Same way, what else additional features does they provide is that I have set up a 5 category through my standard plan. Now I want multiple categories in future. So either I can upgrade the plan or I can start fresh with the future plan. So if you have your apparel business model clear in front of you that I have these many range of products from these categories and I want to grow in future up to 10%, 20%, then what all additional features would I require? So I would suggest that you come up with a plan, what is required for your business, and then accordingly choose the plan, because changing from A to B would be a major loss for your audience, I can say, because you are driving your affiliate traffic, your website traffic to that particular e-commerce platform. So plugins, regarding plugins, definitely if you reach out to 9 e-commerce, they would be helpful, because what all, like I said, based on your requirement, they would be helping you out. I can say for apparel business, all you need is good amount of category, product listing. Yes, they have already provided the link.
That's the link for the BigCommerce website that we developed for our Australian client, and they have like many features. I have more examples that I can share. Obviously, if you can reach out to 9 e-commerce via email or phone number, and we can send you more examples of this.
Absolutely. So they have the live examples. So I would just like to share a quote that was, I just read. Okay, let me just, I'm sharing some few quotes from e-commerce, that is, chase the vision, not the money. The money will end up following you. So like I said, if you're trying to follow your competitors or, compete with your competitors by copying the same tactics that they are following, definitely you are going to end up with, dying your business. I'm putting your business to an end. Like I said, that today's normal is not following, but originality. Now think from that perspective, wonder what your customer really wants. Ask them, do Q&A, ask them what are your frequently asked questions and provide answers to them. Come up with new modules of your products that, they are looking forward to. Be one step ahead in offering to customers. E-commerce isn't the cherry on the cake, it's the new cake. Would you agree with me or not? It's not the cherry on the cake, because it's totally different era that we are living into, and digitization is one thing that has put everybody on foot, within seconds transformation. So going for the plan, BigCommerce standard, this is the entry level package. If you plan on using it, your online stores sales volume must be under $50K per year. Now, this is just an estimate that is provided by, the BigCommerce as a example, that if you are looking forward to such kind of sales volume, turnover per year, then you should go for a standard plan. Therefore, this is only suitable for small e-commerce sites. Once you are established and likely to generate more business, this will force you to upgrade it. it also lacks, like I said, starting, if you don't have, you have set of categories and set of products to put in, and you're seeming for 1 or 2 years, then definitely later you can upgrade the plan. It also lacks a couple of advanced features such as abandoned cart recovery or the ability to create groups and segments. So this is what I was talking about, abandoned cart recovery. The two products that is left in your cart, which the customer did not buy, you can come up with offerings and retain that customer. Ability to create groups and segments. Now, what is groups and segments? Like I said, right now, standard plan would be providing you option with 5 categories. But if you upgrade the plan, you would be having n number of categories that you can list your product with. The Big Commerce Plus plan, talking of plus plan, a higher version of standard, is suitable for medium online stores that generate up to 150K yearly. 150K yearly would be somewhere around the 1 crore of turnover, I believe. Choosing this plan will enable some advanced feature, like advanced feature of abandoned cart saver, which allows you to contact users who didn't complete the purchase process and encourage them to do so. This plan unleashes big commerce user grouping capabilities to segment your audience and offer more personalized shopping. Like, if I give an example of traditional, marketing or business, I go to a vendor, physically visit a vendor or a shopper. That person is going to scan you from up and down, up to down, that whether what is the budget that this person is carrying or this customer is going to purchase or not. They scan you, right? This is what the expertise tell. So over here also, you have, if you unleash this plus plan, what are you going to get is, you can provide the offerings based out on customers. Like, if say for example, this customer is purchasing a product worth 1,000 plus, then what you can do is, you can drive that audience by providing multiple options of similar range or maybe more than that below. So that is the option that you can uncover with big commerce. Okay, I hope we are clear till now. Okay, which big commerce plan should I choose? Again, it's up to you. We have given these options based on your what kind of business you're looking forward to, what is the turnover, what is the income, that revenue generation that you're looking forward to, and keeping all that in mind, doing analysis of which plan is suitable and which plan would be preferable, you can go for that. Talking about e-commerce pro plan, if your online store is generating sales between 150K to 10K per year, then the pro plan is where you need to be. Overall, the pro plan includes many robust features. Now, more advanced features than just providing you abandoned category, cart category. Customers can sort and filter by specific categories, also known as specific search. Additional to this, plans allow store owners to add third-party SSL certificates to customize your checkout. Now, SSL certificate is one of the authenticated certificate which is provided that your website is well encrypted and all. So if you're upgrading, many shoppers are, quite conscious whether this is authenticated website or e-commerce platform or store or not. So you should provide them SSL certificate would be displayed on your store that yes, we are authenticated, and that you can go with pro plan. And if you're just starting up, if you have a good amount of days, if you have recovered the past profits and everything, then definitely you can go for a pro plan. The Big Commerce Enterprise plan is suitable for stores which are taking over 400K per year in revenue, or which requires any of the following enterprise only features like custom product filters, price list. Talking of Myntra, there are n number of stores over there. So if you see, there would be stores with limited product filters, there would be stores with limited pricing filters. But if you have good turnover of $400 per year, then you can go for an enterprise plan, which provides you with unlimited API calls, that is API integrations. You can send an unlimited number of requests to your server. Every now and then, if you see that many of the customers are going for this payment gateway option, which currently you do not have, then maybe in coming future, you can provide it to them. Advantages of BigCommerce: fully hosted, so you won't have to worry about server maintenance and cost. Definitely, everything is hosted. Some of the commerce websites would be offering charging you, maintenance cost or other cost, but BigCommerce is not. It's fully secured and fully covered. Accept multiple payment methods with no transaction fees. Like I said, that many of the commerce website are charging you transaction fees. If I talk about Shopify, if I'm not wrong, but BigCommerce won't charge you. It would be just charging the credit fees that is required. BigCommerce gives you an awesome management tools. Now, how am I going to manage my inventory? If I talk about traditional methods, it's quite hard to manage your inventory. I have been working with I had worked with Amazon as on a third party payroll, wherein I was handling a apparel store. So they're also handling category, and Amazon has such advanced features of managing inventory and all, that it was quite difficult to first crack what they are trying to tell, how their inventory is managed digitally, and then bringing my physical unit and displaying it on the website. But BigCommerce provide you the easiest and awesome management tools. This includes product management, order management, analytics reports. Now, if I talk about, just a second, I'll share some screenshots with you of what kind of report are you going to get from BigCommerce. So if your online store is set up, everybody can see the screen. Hello. I hope the
Yes,
graph
I
is
can.
visible.
Yeah, I can see the screen.
Yeah. So this is particularly the dashboard of your online store, which would give you a clear picture of what activities, how many customers visited your website, what was the click rate, and what was the if you have done some AdSense ad pop-ups, then how many visited that particular ad and purchased that product. So this is going to give you a clear view, and it's quite easy. It gives the stats, it provides the analytics. Next is, what is the design option that you want? They are providing you multiple templates for your online stores, which helps you, engage the audience or provide a good display to your customers that are visiting. So I would say it's quite, easy for us to go for select the options, what is required, and yeah. So this is what BigCommerce is providing. That those screenshots were actually of the BigCommerce platform. You might have seen that there was a logo also. So this is just to give you an display of how your online stores would be seen. If I talk about Shopify or other platforms, it's quite cumbersome. Like, it's quite technical. First, you need to understand what those platform are providing, what is required. They have a number of guidelines that you need to follow, and once you clear all those, then and then only you would be able to. But this BigCommerce is quite user friendly. So if you want to set up, there are few information that you need to provide, and you're good to go with your online startup. There's a nice marketing module with AdWords integration, coupons, and more. This allows you to handle your store marketing partly and autopilot. Like I said, that if I want to run this particular ad on Sunday morning when the traffic is good, when people are shopping, so what am I going to do? I'm going to set a timer. I'm going to create the ad, fill in with information, list down the products that I want to put on display from my inventory, and I will just provide the time that this ad should go live at this particular timing. So that is what autopilot service that is provided by BigCommerce. Is it easy to use? Of course, why not? I just provided some examples of how your online store display is going to be, how you're going to manage the operations and everything. There's some kind of disturbance, if somebody can mute. Okay. Managing your store, taking care of your orders, adding products, looking through your analytics, and so on, basically doing anything that can be considered your day-to-day work is very easy. Now, if any one of you have created a website on WordPress or Wix or anywhere. I have created my website on WordPress, though it's a free package. So definitely I'm not able to crack some of the plugins which would add the value to my website. But what I can see is that it's easy for me to manage, to see what the look is, how I can change it, what all options I have, how am I going to engage the audience. If I have traffic on Sunday, say for 100 visitors in an hour, and they are looking out for such kind of price range options because they would be selecting over there, and you get the backend data that this particular morning people are looking for best deals. So what are you going to do? The next very week, what I'm going to do is I'm going to list the best deal of my products in that particular price range and provide the offer to retain those clients. And if you're lucky, so they are going to revisit. If you don't want to lose out, then keep a regular check on your analytics on your online store. Setting up your store, tweaking the design and doing everything else that can be considered a one-time task can be a bit confusing, but you might need to support the team's assistance for the part if you're not particularly savvy with the web stuff. Like I said, if I'm not tech savvy and I don't know much about changes to be made and customization to be made on my online stores, I need to take the support team assistance that BigCommerce is providing, and they are very good with customer service. If I talk about customer service, we all have experienced Vodafone and Airtel and all, but it's not the case with BigCommerce. Easy query solving is what they do, and you might be provided with multiple options. They have a full guidelines. If I am going to start my online store, I don't know anything about it, they are going to provide me the modules. There are hell lot of trainings that are provided to newbies who are trying to set up their online stores. So now coming to online store design in BigCommerce, I have shown you the screenshot. There are multiple templates that are provided, good looking, attractive templates that are provided by BigCommerce, with help of which you can actually customize your website, sorry, online store, and engage your audience. If you might have seen, Amazon comes with multiple deals every now and then. First it was just festive offers, then they started with year-end offers and all. Those are the fixed ones. But now what they're doing, if Flipkart is coming up with some offers, definitely it's the competitor. They would be one step ahead and coming up with some daily deal offers. So there is daily deals, right, on Amazon. So you can come up with such, but here the leverage that you have is that you know your inventory, you know which products are laying, which can be sold out in this particular time frame. If you have any perishable products, then definitely it becomes a bit challenging, but still you have an option. Okay. BigCommerce prides itself on delivering designs that are optimized for all kind of purposes and type of e-commerce stores. So no matter what you might be selling, BigCommerce has a good design for you, be it apparel, be it custom goods, be it electronics, anything that you wish for. They have multiple design options for you. And that's not only a design that looks good, but also converts well. Customization is possible. If I say that I tried out with this color, which is going with my logo, but very next day, it's not actually, interesting the viewers or visitors, then I'm going to try out for some other options. What's important is that all the designs are optimized for mobile viewing. Now, the biggest challenge. I was working on a project, Indian Speakers and Coach Forum, wherein we used to build, website for different professionals from different domains, say motivational speaker or health wellness coach and all. So there, what the only issue that was faced was they selected X template, which was good for the website. But when it comes to mobile view, it was not possible because of some plugins or I don't know backend issue. But the mobile view was not that appropriate or was not that attractive. So here they are providing all the designs which are best suited for mobile viewing. So you don't have to worry that if I select these options, do I need to go and check whether the mobile view would be best or not, or if I have already customized my online store based on this template, and if I go to mobile view and check it, everything, all the efforts are going to go in vain. No, that's not the case because all the designs are mobile view verified. Now talking of payment options. BigCommerce itself doesn't charge any transaction fees, but you will incur usual credit charges from your payment gateway. Like I said, other platforms would be charging for transaction fees. You might have faced so, but in this, BigCommerce only charges for credit charges. You have got over 65 integrated payment gateways to choose from. Now, this is what I've faced many a times that, ex-customer says that I'm using payment gateway of PayPal, say. Next says that I'm using for HubSpot or some other, So which one to select from? Or after looking through the plan of BigCommerce, everything is good, but the payment option that I'm looking for is not being provided. So I have to go for Shopify or all. That is not the case with BigCommerce because they are providing 65 integrated payment gateways, which includes PayPal, Stripe, Square, Amazon Pay, Adyen, and all. So you have multiple options to go with for your smooth working of your online store. Okay, multi-channel selling. Now, what do you mean by multi-channel selling? Everybody would be interested in generating revenue through different platforms and, growing your customer base and revenue base. So if you're already selling on other marketplace or plans to be, BigCommerce has features to support you. What is that feature? With Facebook, Amazon, eBay integrations, not only will your inventory sync up across all platforms, but your product listing will too. Say my online store has presence on 2 e-commerce platforms, that is BigCommerce and Amazon, but the inventory is same, right? So BigCommerce is providing you such kind of integration wherein if your products, 5 products get sold on Amazon, the inventory itself would be updated on BigCommerce. Likewise, if you go have multiple e-store facilities like eBay or Etsy and all, so the inventory is common and it would be automatically updated. So for example, if you adjust a product title in the background of your site, the change will carry across all platforms, cutting out a lot of manual work. If I talk about, say, today I'm on 5 different platforms. I want to, if I'm updating a status or doing some tweet, I want that tweet to be integrated on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. That's not possible. I guess till now, Facebook and Instagram is only interconnected. So if I post on Instagram, I have the option of, sharing the same on Facebook as well. So that kind of ease, that kind of user-friendly environment is provided by BigCommerce, wherein you can handle the multi-channel selling. Are we good to hear? I
Yes.
hope boring you,
Yeah.
audience.
No.
Okay. How to become partners of BigCommerce and Shopify? Is it worth? Definitely, 9 e-commerce will walk you through the process of becoming BigCommerce, or Shopify partners. All you need to do is just provide them the plan of yours. I'm sure you would be having some scratch. Okay, BigCommerce sales tools and features. Coming to the sales tool and features, one we have already gone through, that is abandoned cart recovery. Valuable tool to have. Why it's valuable? Because you're retaining your customers. The customer are your asset to your store. If you are going to display some good customer feedback, testimonials on your online store, that is what is going to attract the other customers, because that is a genuine feedback. So if you talk about some of your products or your store and all, that is marketing. But if your customer speaks something about you, that is social presence. That is a social gift that you receive for your online store. So when a customer enters their email and then abandons their products in the shopping cart at checkout, you can send an automated email to draw them back to their purchase. Now, I did a shopping on my BigCommerce. I wanted to purchase 5 dresses. I purchased 3. 2 are left in my cart. They are still there. And I went to Instagram. Now, Instagram also is associated with this particular online store, and they are running an offer. So what they'll do is they are going to pop up some, discount options to my Instagram ID or email, maybe because they are having the email. And that is how they're going to retain. You can even personalize the mail and include discount codes. This is a real money saver. Nowadays, the option is that personal code. So if I did the shopping, I'm having a good audience base, follower base on social media platform. What the online store is going to do is going to provide a 10% discount code for your followers. So I can market their product. I get the offer code of 20% maybe, and I can provide 10% to my followers. So this is a real money saver, obviously. On average, this emails went back 12 to 15% of customers. So say you lost on 40% of your customer and you can retain 12 to 15% of customers. That's a win-win situation. While personalized emails are 6 times more effective than regular ones. Personalized emails, why are they? Like I said, if I can send out some personal code wherein they are getting benefited, their followers are getting benefited, then why not? They would definitely go for that particular option. POS integration. One area big commerce does really well is syncing online and offline payments. Some e-commerce platforms, website builders don't really offer this at all. And recently, Squarespace has come up with this, while others are more limited in general. So till now, we were having only online, options. If I go for COD option, offline payment options or so, then that was not possible. That was not the case in many of other platforms. But big commerce is providing that. So again, that is a user-friendly option. Now, what is big commerce apps? If you do not want to expand your site beyond these functions, you have still got 600 apps to choose from in the big commerce app store. So if you go to big commerce app store, you have multiple options. Say, for example, you do not want to set up an online store. There are a hell lot of options where you can opt for, which you can opt for. Big commerce has much more limited app store than its competitors. No doubt, there is limited app store, but what is good is that they are providing impressive house features, which is user friendly and will help you to set up your online store. You don't just need as many apps as you would with Shopify, for example. This keeps cost lower because you don't have to pay out from the third party add-ons on every month. So no doubt many of this, Shopify or other e-commerce platforms would be providing you with multiple options, but that is not the case. If they are providing you multiple options, there would be some cost added to that, wherein big commerce is providing you limited options, but that would be free of cost. Shipping options. Big commerce gives you a range of shipping options. You can get real-time shipping quotes, free offer shipping to your customers, and print shipping. So like I said, from starting to the end, everything is sorted with big commerce, not just inventory or how we are going to provide with the payment option, but also the shipping options. They take care of everything, all labeling and everything. With all big commerce, third-party integration, they might not be having their own, but they're having third party who is going to take care of all this. Big commerce now offers its own all-in-one service for next level shipping tools. Simply install the new Big Commerce shipping app for free and enjoy special discount up to 80% with USPS, DHL, and FedEx. So if you see, Amazon is a really big bubble for e-commerce, if I say. But when it comes to big commerce, if nowadays people are carefree. Previously, when this digital was new, e-commerce was new to people, they were scared for scams and frauds and everything. But now, even if I'm going to get a best deal, I'm going to try that particular website out. So here also they are providing you with shipping free options or discount codes wherein you can add benefit to your potential customers. Keep your customers happy with shipment checking, in-store pickup, and next day delivery. This is what we want. Every time once we do the shipping, we are keeping a track that when it will be delivered or what is the time that it will be delivered. And many of them, when they are not providing, there is a bit of suspicious, thought that we put on that why are they not providing, whether it's reliable or not. So ease free shipping and tension free shipping is what they provide big commerce. Big commerce shipping comes with tons of perks. But the main one is that you can easily manage all your shipping from one central hub. Shipping can be a challenge, but BigCommerce aims to give you powerful tools with minimum fuss. If I talk about one of the case of Amazon, wherein I read a story, the customer ordered some goods and that was supposed to be delivered from X, place, hub, wherein the shipping was taking place. But that information that was displayed and the actual delivery that was done was from totally different hub that they displayed, and that was a mis information that was provided, which cost a lot, one bad review and it impacts the business. So here it won't be the case. Why? Because it's a central hub, so all you can do is have a good track. Customer support, like I said, that the customer service is best. If you are having any trouble, if you go on a chat with the customer support and say that this is what I'm facing, they are going to provide you with a module wherein you can take the training or go through the actual process of how you're going to resolve. And even if not, then they are going to walk you through the process. There is shorter wait times, dedicated expert support, express routing for enterprise customers, and 24/7 to access to your support team. So it would be auto-generated definitely, but they would be helping you in the extreme scenario. In addition to these support features, BigCommerce also offers coaching, training, and instruction support for businesses of all size. Like I said, they are going to provide you with training. I had taken this Amazon one kind of training, but again, for premium plans or premium trainings that you need to go, they again charge. So final thoughts. These are few of the umpteen number of reasons that answer why BigCommerce is better than any other platform. If you're looking for an e-commerce platform that guarantees performance and outcomes, BigCommerce comes as a reliable and powerful choice. My last thing that I would like to say is, no doubt, we are attracted towards the brands and platforms which has a good audience base or which has a good marketing uh, base in the market. But do you really consider from the point of view, if I'm the owner of an online store? No, that is not the case. All I think is, how am I going to benefit my customers? How am I going to grow the business? How am I going to increase the revenue from my previous year? So what helps is that, don't go for Shopify, or I won't say Shopify, basically don't go for such kind of platforms wherein they attract you with good customer reviews or everything, but go for such platforms wherein you are benefited. Lower cost would be there, but ultimately, if you're unplugging many of the features and that is costing you, then that is nowhere supporting your business. Don't just think from one perspective, but consider others also. So last, what I'd like to show you is that I did a bit of comparison between Shopify and BigCommerce category wise. So it's almost same. So if I talk about apparel, fashion, uh, BigCommerce is provided with 6.7 percentage and Shopify is provided by 7.6. Now, if I was a businessman a businesswoman who is going to start my, apparel business, I would not go for a healthy competition because it's a startup. So why would I risk my audience base by wherein they can have multiple options, good deals? Why? Because that particular business is already into profits. They have that capacity to provide you the good offerings. But I would rather choose such platform wherein no doubt the audience base would be less, but I have scope to grow my business. So that is what my uh, last okay, sorry. Yeah, so that is what my last saying is on BigCommerce. Now questions are welcomed.
Okay, thanks so much, Divya, for giving us the speech, and thank you, audience, for being with us till the last time. I know some of them have left as well, but we really appreciate that you stayed with us for a long time. I'm just going to share some of the important links for the social media, and I have also shared our website. If you have any question, you can just email by going the website, or add the contact form or anything like that. And there is a feedback form as well. If you can please share your feedback on that. If you have any suggestions for us, if you want us to have any topic that you like for the next webinar, please you can make a suggestions over there as well in the feedback form. And if you have any questions, you can type in the chat now. We will wait for another 5 minutes or so before we end this session.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so if you're looking for some good business in future, then this is the time you can float with your questions, and me and 9 e-commerce is going to support you with that. And anytime you can reach out to 9 e-commerce.
Are you getting any questions in your personal chat?
No.
No. Okay.
I believe the audience have already started working.
Yeah, looks like. Right. I think there is no more questions. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. So shall we end this webinar?
Sure. Thank you so much, audience, for your patience. And I hope this was helpful.
Yeah, and we will get back to you soon with the next webinar topic. Thanks a lot once again, everyone. And thank you, Divya. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Bye-bye.
Bye.